Chapter 4 of The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini delves into the backstory of Ali, Amir's family servant and Hassan's father, who was orphaned and subsequently brought into the home of Amir's grandfather. This act of kindness created a lifelong bond between Ali and Baba, Amir's father, who grew up together as playmates. Despite their close upbringing, Baba never refers to Ali as his friend, a reflection of the complexities stemming from their differing ethnic backgrounds, religious affiliations, and societal status. Ali and Hassan are Hazaras, a minority group often discriminated against by the predominantly Pashtun society to which Baba and Amir belong. The chapter further explores the intricacies of Amir's relationship with Hassan, highlighting the significant role education and literacy play in their dynamic. Amir, literate and educated, often attempts to assert his superiority over Hassan through knowledge. However, Hassan's sharp wit and innate intelligence frequently undermine Amir's attempts. Despite this, Amir occasionally deceives Hassan, providing him with incorrect word definitions, a behavior motivated by a combination of superiority and guilt. This guilt is temporarily assuaged by Amir's gestures of giving Hassan old shirts or broken toys. Hassan's favorite book, the Shahnama, introduces another staple motif of storytelling within the Kite Runner. The tales of heroes and their moral fabric play a crucial role in contrasting the characters of Amir and Hassan, notably through the story of Rostam and Sohrab, which revolves around tragic misunderstandings and familial bonds. Amir's endeavor to write his first short story brings to light his craving for his father's approval, which he does not receive. Instead, it is Rahim Khan, Baba's close friend, who recognizes and encourages Amir's writing talent. When Amir shares his story with Hassan, despite Hassan's illiteracy, he identifies a plot hole in the story, but still shows deep admiration for Amir's work. This moment is poignant, illustrating Hassan's loyalty and insight, and contrasting sharply with Amir's moral ambiguities. The backdrop of their relationships, set in a changing Afghanistan, mirrors the historical and societal transitions shaping their lives. Through Amir's account of his childhood with Hassan, described as a long, lazy summer day, to the impending winter of adulthood marked by a harrowing event, Hosseini uses seasons to symbolize Amir's emotional and psychological journey. Overall, Chapter 4 establishes critical narrative foundations, exploring themes of friendship, social hierarchy, betrayal, and the complexities of father-son relationships, all of which foreshadow the evolving dynamics and challenges the characters will face. Hosseini's skillful blending of character development, thematic depth, and the motif of storytelling sets the stage for the unfolding drama and the moral dilemmas that lie ahead. And as always, if you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.